The next problem. So here I have a problem. Just observe, f of x is equal to x plus 1 whole square for all x greater than or equal to 1. G of x is the function whose graph is reflection of f of x with respect to the line y is equal to x. There should be a change. This is y is equal to x. Then what is g of x? A small correction in the problem, that the problem is the g of x is reflection with respect to the line y is equal to x. Y is equal to x. This is what. Okay. Now here we need to consider important. What is the prerequisite for this type of example? Prerequisite for this example is, I will write that statement, f of x and f inverse of x are symmetric about the line y is equal to x. Now this happens to be the prerequisite to solve this particular problem. A given function and its inverse are always symmetric about the line y is equal to x. So for that you can have an example like this one. If you have y is equal to e to the power of x. So if I draw e to the power of x, it looks like this. And if I draw log x, it looks like this. And this is log x to base e, and this one is y is equal to e to the power of x. And they are inverse functions here, and they are definitely symmetric about the line y is equal to x. So this is one example to state this function. And this is the prerequisite to solve this problem. So then you can easily understand that g of x here, therefore we can, because of all this analysis, what I can say now, this f inverse g of x is nothing but f inverse of x. So once you identify you need to get f inverse of x, it is very simple to get f inverse of x from this expression. So what is that? Let us suppose f inverse of x be equal to y. Then what happens? X is equal to f of y. Okay, x is equal to f of y. Therefore, x is equal to what? F of y is nothing but x plus y plus 1 whole square. Y plus 1 whole square. And what is to be found? I need to find y in terms of x. Therefore, y plus 1, it is equal to root of x. And y is nothing but root x minus 1, and y itself is f of x. So root x minus 1, this is the answer what I get for this particular example. So this is how we need to identify the prerequisite for a given problem. That is very important. If you can identify this early, then it is easy to solve the problem and get the answer within the stipulated time.